Today I'm going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator, and we're going to be trying to complete a quest here. It's called Weed Wacker 3, and it's for Black Bear. I just turned into Panda Bear. That dude right there. So, we're going to start off by going to Pepper Patch Field. So let's get started. Let's start the time lapse. Alright, now let's check the rewards. We've now finished the quest of 400 million from Pepper Patch Field, 200 million from Bamboo, 100 million from Cloverfield, and now let's talk to Black Bear. Nice job, you cleared up all of those weeds. Really fast. Not really, it took me a couple hours. Your bees are Your bees are like an awesome army of lawn keepers that work non-stop without pay. I pay them in food. Complete 4 more quests and I'll give you a mythic egg. Oof. Stick around for 4 more episodes and then you'll see me get a mythic egg. Alright. We didn't get much there. We got 175 million, I believe that is. 20 royal jellies. And 25 bitter berries, 25 gumdrops, 3 magic beans, and 11,000 treats, 5 tickets, and that's it. So that's gonna come in handy. So let's go ahead and use up those treats real quick. Where are they at? There they are. Let's level up. Which one's the closest to being ready? Which mythic out of all of them, actually? $59,000. It will be that one. All of them won't be enough. Okay. Well, now let's check his next quest. Have you met Spirit Bear yet? Yes, I have. She's actually pretty cool. I got a spirit petal. She's the oldest bear I know. I know. Don't call her old. She's also the sleepiest bear. And the richest. I think that's what that says. Don't call me on that. And definitely the most talkative. She just won't stop talking. I could agree with you. But she knows a thing or two about honey for sure, especially honey from white pollen. I'm a red. Or at least going for red. If you're interested in finding white honey, like Guess that's what that says. And tons of glitters. I love glitters. Be sure to do her quest. I will. Collect 500 million from white pollen, of course. Collect 60 million white pollen from spider field. Wait, hold up. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. Yeah, okay. 60 million, 40 million from white pollen. Oh, jeez. And collect 10 million white pollen from the cactus field. This is going to be miserable. There's not a lot of white pollen in the cactus field, but it's there and worth it. No, it's not. Right. Well, you'll be seeing me do this quest on the next episode. So I hope you enjoyed. 2 likes and I will do this quest. Alright, ready? Bye bye.